One of the data connectors also involves threat intelligence, and being able to bring in threat intelligence is probably one of the top reasons of data connectors is being able to get updated information as quick as you can about potential indicators of compromise, right? So, out in the world, there's all these different security organizations, security research firms that are doing the research, finding, that potential IP addresses are hosting malware or they are potential command and control systems, things of that nature. So being able to get that data into your system in some type of automated fashion. So if one of your users or machines or servers are seen communicating with a particular IP address and having those analytic rules alert you to the fact that, hey, 10 of your servers have just started communicating with this one known malware hosting website or IP address is pretty critical. So threat intelligence is one of those data connectors, and Microsoft has made it quite easy recently. The addition of